Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you all? I hope that all of you will be in good health. Open your history books. Today we will start our history book. Okay, take out page number 2. Our first chapter is Umayyads, who ruled from 661 AD to 750 AD. Now, what is meant by Umayyads? Umayyads are usually the members of Muslim dynasty that ruled Islamic world from 660 to 750 AD. But Umayyads have started their rule from 661 AD. Now, what is meant by AD? AD means Anno Domini, which means advanced age. It is usually taken from the Latin word, and the meaning of AD is in the year of the Lord, specifically to the before the birth of Jesus Christ. Okay, I am repeating myself. AD means it is taken from the Latin word, which means in the year of the Lord, specifically to the birth of Jesus Christ. Umayyad Caliphate. Now, what is this? It was usually the second of the four major Arab Islamic caliphates after the times of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. It means there were usually four major Arab Islamic caliphates, out of which the Umayyad Caliphate was the second most of the Arab Islamic caliphates, and this started after the time of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Umayyads ruled from 661 AD to 750 AD. They ruled means they governed from 661 to 750 AD. The caliphate was of the Umayyad dynasty. It means that the caliphate was from Umayyad's bloodline. Bloodline means the succession of people from the same family, and he was Banu Umayyah, sons of Umayyah, originally hailing from Makkah. Hailing means they usually originate from Makkah or to come from Makkah. So I am repeating myself that Umayyads ruled from 661 to 750 AD. The caliphate was from Umayyad dynasty, means from Umayyad bloodline. He was Banu Umayyah, sons of Umayyah, and originate from Makkah. Although the third caliph of Islam, Hazrat Usman ibn Affan, was from the clan of Banu Umayyah, means he was from a large family of Banu Umayyah, but when we refer to Umayyad dynasty, we do not include him as a part of it, as he was amongst the Khulafai Rashidin. It means that although Hazrat Usman ibn Affan was from Umayyad dynasty, but when we talk about the Islamic caliphates, we usually not included him in the Banu Umayyads. We included him in Khulafai Rashidin because he was amongst the Khulafai Rashidin. The Umayyad dynasty was founded by Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu, who was the son of a companion of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Hazrat Sufyan, who was the head of Makkah at the time of Muslim conquest of Makkah. Okay, it means that Hazrat Muawiyah was the son of Hazrat Sufyan, who was a friend of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and Hazrat Sufyan was the head of Makkah at the time of Muslim conquest of Makkah. Now, what is meant by Muslim conquest? Muslim conquest means Muslim control. At the time of Muslim control at Makkah, Hazrat Sufyan was the head. Hazrat Muawiyah was himself amongst the companions of Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and was one of the longest serving governors of Syria and Palestine. It means that Hazrat Muawiyah, who was the son of Hazrat Sufyan, he was also a friend of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and he was also a longest serving governor of Syria and Palestine from the times of caliphate of Hazrat Umar Farooq radhiyallahu anhu, who was the second Caliph of Islam. Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu was himself amongst companions of Prophet Muhammad sallam, and he was the longest serving governor of Syria and Palestine from the times of caliphate of Hazrat Umar Farooq radhiyallahu anhu, who was the second Caliph of Islam. Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu was an able administrator. Able administrator means that he had skills, a person who is responsible for carrying out the administration of an organization. So he was able as an administrator, and under his leadership means under his action of leading of group of people, the Islamic Caliphate continued to expand. Means that he was an able administrator, and under his leadership the Islamic Caliphate continued to spread. During the region of Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu, region 1, the Caliphate had the Caucasus, which was a region at the border of Europe and Asia. What is meant by Caucasus? It is usually a mountainous range and it was present at the border of Europe and Asia, and that caliphate was at the time of Hazrat Muawiyah radhiyallahu anhu. It is situated between the Black and Caspian Seas and Transoxiana. It is a historical region which lies beyond the river. Transoxiana was the region including the areas of present-day Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan and Sindh. It also included a part of North Africa and Iberian Peninsula, which is also known as Al-Andalusia. Iberian Peninsula is also known as Al-Andalusia. And what is meant by peninsula? Peninsula means a piece of land which is surrounded by a water body. Muhammad bin Qasim's campaign of Sindh in the Indian subcontinent in present-day Pakistan took place during the Umayyads' rule. It means that Muhammad bin Qasim's campaign means a series of military operations of the Sindh, which in the Indian subcontinent in present-day Pakistan, they took place in Umayyads' rule. They took place in Umayyads' caliphate. At its peak, it means that when it was at its most of the highest rate, the Umayyad Caliphate ruled an area of 11,100,000 square kilometer with a population of almost 62 million people, which was about 29% of the world's population. It means that they usually have ruled a greater area of population. This makes it one of the largest empires in the history of the world in terms of both population and land. It means that at that time the empire was having a great population and great land. Thank you for attending the lecture. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Have a nice day.